Hi! So today I want to cover the blend tool. Again, just the basics over that, just a quick overview. So you can use it in different ways. It blends paths and even shapes. So let's start with a shape real quick. We're going to make a circle, which holding down the shift key and dragging makes a perfect circle. Or if you're using the rectangle tool, holding down shift key and dragging makes a perfect square. So we got those two shapes, pretty opposite from each other. You got a circle with no angles and a square with nothing but angles. So this blend tool over here, so you click on the first object and hover over the other one, and you see how it blends. Now holding down Alt and then clicking on that little group there, you can change this. You can go, it also blends color as well, but you can do go by steps. You can increase it. Let's see what 20 looks like. You can turn on the preview. It's going, let's turn that back down to, or you can just do one. It's one little shape there. So yeah, that's the blend tool. Neat little thing there. Let's get rid of this here. Now I feel the way that it's probably, or one way to use it more. Let's make a little leaf and make some like a line looking art. Let's go there, actually. And let's select this. Let's actually turn off that there. So clicking that path, hold Alt, drag, duplicates it. And let's go ahead, a hotkey. Let's go there. Leaf real quick. And actually, let's make a new layer. Let's hide that. Path, join those two. Object, path, join those two. So let's bring back that other top layer. Let's hide that bottom one. So this one here, so those two are actually two different paths, not connected. Let's use this little blend tool there and there. And boom, it makes those lines like that. Isn't that neat? And again, Alt and left clicking on that gives you blending options, so you can adjust like how many lines you want. You do a lot like that. Let's keep it low. Let's keep it down to 6 there. Let's bring back that bottom layer. Select that one. Let's give it a little gradient feel. Look at that. Yeah, a little leaf there, a little cartoon leaf. Real simple thing, real quick too. One other practical application that I recently kind of figured out using the blend tool is with, I was designing a logo and I had a circle. Let's get rid of that fill. And let's make a little bigger circle there. Center. So the problem I ran into is I wanted to put text going around the inner circle, but being centered between those two circles by using the text following a path tool, which, you know, is fine, that's easy. But I was having trouble finding the actual center point between those two circles, you know, in a quick and easy way. Obviously, you know, you could kind of go back and forth with that. But so an easy way to find the center point between those two things was I just used the blend tool. So you got all those lines, doing one, and boom, there's the center path right there. But now when I tried using the wrap, the text wrap, or type on a path tool, it wouldn't let me select that middle path. And I was like, what the heck? That's super frustrating. But then I realized, no, there's got to be a way to separate that stuff. So you go to the layer where you have the blend, click the options on it, release to layers, sequence, and that divides all of them. So then you can actually select that path. So yeah, just a couple little tips on the blend tool and different applications of its use. So hopefully that's helpful. And yeah, have fun making some cool stuff.